So here we have a Cryo-Fridge. It's made by American Scientific Products. A refrigerator like this ensures long-term storage of materials at cryogenic temperatures. I have not tested it or anything. I plugged it in and the lights came on. You have to assume that it possibly needs a charge or some other repair. Again, I did not test it. These things seem to last a long time. They're commercially made. It's stainless steel. It's well made. I've seen one on eBay that looked like this for going for about $600. That's a used price. I'm assuming a cryogenic fridge like this probably retails for $2,000 brand new. You know how to get a hold of me. If you need to get a hold of me, just read the description. Read the description. Follow that, and you'll be able to get a hold of me. Again, I'm selling it for, wholesale price, as is. You may have to fix it or repair it or whatever. Yes, what we got here is a Cryo-Fridge made by American Scientific Products. And I guess it could sit under the counter. Wholesale price is about $600. Call me.